Hello. Welcome back to another tech video. In this video, we're going shopping. Now, if you're new here and haven't followed this Facebook page or subscribed to our YouTube channel, don't forget to tap the follow button on Facebook and or the subscribe button on our YouTube channel to see more MCPL content. We bring you interesting tech videos every Wednesday and Friday at 1. For any of the shopping apps that we cover in our shopping apps series, there will be personal information that you'll have to provide to complete a purchase. Almost all of these brands will ask for a shipping address, billing address, and financial information, be that your credit, debit, or PayPal account information. If giving your personal information to an app concerns you, then I'd find other avenues for shopping online or not at all. To start our shopping series, we looked around the eBay, Etsy, Mercari, AliExpress, and Walmart apps. So to wrap up our shopping app series, we're taking a look at the app Society6. So let's get started. Society6 lets you explore, discover, and shop in a marketplace that features over 400,000 independent artists, creating different designs across wall art, home decor, tech accessories, and more. So you can discover and shop new and trending designs of over 8 million designs across 75 different products. So the app opens up to your home screen. This is your space to find your next best thing. But at the very top right corner will be your search magnifying glass. You'll enter what you're looking for, and then in the center you'll have your feed, which will change almost daily or weekly to highlight different artists and different designs that are popular. And then at the bottom you'll have your toolbar. So you'll start in your home screen, and then you have the heart for your wish lists. This is where it's sorted into 3 categories: wish list, designs, and the artists that you follow will show up in the artists that you follow section. In the profile icon, this is where you'll be at your profile. You can view your current and past orders, change your password, access the help center, or log out. And then on the far right hand side, you will have your cart. This is where the items that you have added to your cart will be waiting for you to purchase them. So let's go back to the home view and search for an item. So when you're ready to search, you can either tap the magnifying glass to search or start browsing by looking at what's in the home feed and then go from there. So if you're interested in looking at furniture, you can start in this section and scroll through what's available here. Or if you're interested in what's popular in home decor today, bed, bath, what's in tabletop, or in office. There's also apparel and bags, outdoor and lifestyle, and then that's the bottom of the home feed. So if we go up here to the search, I'm going to, of course, type in Sailor Moon, tap search. Now your results are sorted by most relevant, so of course you can change those by using the filter button that's to the right of your search bar. So what I can do here is sort by what's popular, new, or have it show me something random in a random order. I can check out my keywords and then add more keywords to that search, so that way I can pull different results, because depending on what the artist typed in for that item, I might be missing them. And I can continue to add those keywords to increase my search results. Then I can change color, department, and then what products I'm looking for specifically. So in products, depending on which one you choose, certain designs may not be available in that specific format, so you'll have to play around with it from there. So if I want a poster, and then I close my filter, I can now look through the different posters that I could choose from. So in your search results, there's a bit of information that you can see without tapping on the item. So you can see this type of product it is. So these all say poster. Its title, the author, the artist's name, and then how much it costs. And then if you want more information about that product, you'll tap on it. This will also let you see what other products this specific design can come onto. So if you keep scrolling, you can shop by the design itself. So meaning you can get it in a case, a sticker, the poster, a coffee mug, art print, framed art print, so on and so forth. So some designs will have more products or less products depending on what the artist has made available. And then you'll see them more like this. But if we go back up, there's a bit of information that we can see from here as well. So you can look at the product, scroll through and see it in different environments, and then check out the sizing. I can add it to my cart, use the AR feature to view it in my space, or I can add it to my wish list. And then there are certain specifications that I can choose, so that be the size. If I want to change the size, the price will change depending on which size you choose. So of course the smaller size is $9, but if I choose the 30 by 40 inch, that one's $24. So the size will determine the price, so keep that in mind. $24 is not bad for a 30 to 40 inch poster. I can choose my quantity, and then I can find out more about posters. And I can also see the artist. So I can view more about that artist, follow them, or go to their artist page. And so here I can learn about the artist, see how many followers they have, and then I can see their other designs. And scroll through here. And then if I continue scrolling down, I can see their different products and even filter on the artist page if I really like what they're offering. So if I want to add these coasters with this specific design into my cart, I'll just tap add to cart. And then you'll see now I have 2 items in my cart. And then from there I can keep shopping and then go back and add my poster, add to cart. And once I'm ready to check out, I'll tap my cart, and then I can increase my quantity or remove certain items from my cart. So if I want to actually get rid of the coasters, I just tap the little trash can icon, and that'll remove it from my cart. Then I'll see my estimated total, which includes shipping and taxes, and then it'll be shipped in 2 packages because it's coming from 2 different artists. And then I can choose to pay with Apple Pay or go to checkout. And you'll see across the bottom, these are other accepted methods of payment. So Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and PayPal. When I choose go to checkout. At checkout, you can pay for your item, choose where and how fast you'd like it to be delivered, enter your payment information, and then review your order details before you pay. And that's all there is to it. You just bought a great piece from a great artist on Society6. So whether you're interested in framed prints, throw pillows, comforters, shower curtains, t-shirts, or iPhone cases, you'll find just what you're looking for on Society6. Have a good day. And we want to thank you for watching. Follow us to find more videos just like this. Our page on Facebook is MCPL 360, and if you miss us on Facebook, you'll still find these same videos on our YouTube channel at MCPL Mo. Find our consumer technology playlist. Have a good day.